Yes, so this is Jeremy, the Resilient Banker, just showing you how to actually do a deposit inside of this broker. And this will be posted also in the actual comment section of the actual broker tutorial that everybody's asking me. Everybody's asking me to show you how to do a deposit with the Cash App, right? So first thing you want to do is go to the sandwich on the left-hand side and click that. Then you want to go to funding. Once you go to funding, it's going to have something called a deposit, right? This is how you deposit inside the GenesisFX broker. So stay tuned and make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. All right, so then you want to click what type of cryptocurrencies that you want to use to actually do the deposit. But Cash App uses Bitcoin, so I normally just do Bitcoin. All right, so click the Bitcoin, hit continue. Here is where you're going to enter the amount that you want to actually deposit inside your account. Now, mind you, you put $50 in here. It takes, when you buy Bitcoin, send Bitcoin, there's fees. So you may only get like $46 deposited inside your account. So right here, we're going to put $50, and you can put as much all the way up to 1,000 in here, right? I have individuals putting $1,000 inside their broker account as well, but this is just for demonstration purposes only. $50, right? Click that and then hit continue. All right, then it's going to create a QR code, right? Or you want to go down here and you want to copy this deposit address. So look at this deposit address as a account number that you can actually deposit money. This is the actual how the money is going to actually get inside your account, right? Then you're going to click copy. Then you're going to go over to Cash App, right? Go over to Cash App. Then you want to click right here where it says Bitcoin, right? It says Bitcoin right here, right? You want to buy Bitcoin, buy $50 of Bitcoin, hit next. All right, so hit confirm. And then look, it says you bought Bitcoin. Now what you want to do is that address that you copied from GenesisFX, you want to go here, right? You want to go down here and you want to send it, right? Hit send Bitcoin. And then it's going to ask you how much you want to send. So I like to go in here and send just about everything that's in here. So type the numbers as you see it on the screen. So as you can see, $48.64 will deposit inside the account. Right here is where you're going to paste your actual wallet that you copied inside the GenesisFX broker, right? Hit paste, click here, hit next. Right here is where you're going to actually click how fast you want your Bitcoin to come, right? But as you can see, it's a $3.12 fee for that. There's for 2 hours, so my money will be there in 2 hours. There's a $2.06 fee. Sometimes they have arrives in 24 hours and it's free. I normally click that, but right now it's not highlighted, so I'm going to go here. I'm going to click rush for 2 hours because I like to get the lowest fee available. Right, and right here it says inefficient Bitcoin balance. Right here you want to just hit confirm and send. Right, hit confirm and send. And your withdrawal has been executed and your deposit is going to eventually show up in here within 2 hours, right? So just make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you actually comment below if this was a valuable if this was a valuable tutorial, because I do have people asking how to actually make a deposit inside of GenesisFX. So this is how you actually make a deposit inside GenesisFX, and I will be posting this soon, so make sure you subscribe to this channel. Peace.